$4.50. Man up, Patrick. Man up. Oh, you turned it off? They're opening up everything. They're closing everything. Sorry.
Didn't even really climb that much.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Is it dirty?
Yeah. A little dirty. Sorry, we're gonna use it again.
We're going to the beach on Tuesday. Everybody likes to drink.
What beach? Peanut Island?
No, dude. I'm not walking out to Peanut Island.
You don't walk to Peanut Island.
Rent a boat.
Sometimes you
Let's
can.
rent a boat.
Well, when you dress like Jesus, then yeah.
We'll rent a jet ski. We'll all pile on that boat.
Well, how much are we looking at if each one of us is to chip in to rent a boat?
I say
The boat's about $200 for about 5 or 6 hours.
Y'all just rent a jet ski and pick everyone up.
For an hour.
Return it.
I can see some people not having the cash flow.
Well, if you go to Peanut Island, the boat just to get you across, it's like just to get you across is $25.
You take this off.
$20, I think.
That's why let's just go to Ocean's Reef. There's a 7-Eleven right there. We can
You
pick
gotta
up
put the
stuff.
valves back in first.
Pick a charging.
These side ports. Oh no, his have the valve in them, don't they?
And Marcos, you cool with the
His
same
have
beach we went to last
the
time?
Schrader valve on the side,
You cool with the same beach we went to last time?
so you can take it
The
off.
last time we went to the beach.
I'll
We
do
were
it.
3 hours late.
I remember his having in
Why not?
You done with the backing?
there. Yeah, well, we were under 5.
I'll throw you 10 for gas.
Why is it going there?
I'm not paying for your gas for the week.
That's gas for like a day and a half. Back up to 25,000.
Did you guys weigh it, the tank?
Yeah. Hey, I stole your notebook.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
Writing notes.
So what was the difference
Fill
now?
up, like,
It was. We got it to 30.
so you had half a tank.
30 pounds and 14 ounces was the final.
Where did you drive? Not far. Because I get about.
So in the
a quarter
beginning it was
tank every day,
28
too.
pounds and 10 ounces, and then the difference was what?
2 pounds and 4
I
ounces. That's how much we
like
took
literally
out.
100 and
Okay.
some miles a day.
So we're gonna. Alright.
Steve, I made it to Orlando and back on one thing.
Who's doing the shredder valves?
V6. Going about 85 to 100.
You get to do this. He does one, you do the other.
Right? So I'm heading to work. Got to be there 5
Sounds fair.
Running a little late. Okay. I'm doing about
I think the
120
black-
on a one-lane dark
The
road.
metal side kind of unscrewed.
All of a sudden, a cop passed
I didn't
me.
even
I'm
notice
like,
that that's
please
actually
don't let this guy come back and get me.
Yeah.
He wanted to
yeah,
get
it looks
me, but he got me. Speed limit's 40. You know, and I'm doing about 100.
He probably just about to get off like about to clock off.
He was, yeah, he passed me.
He had to be.
He's probably like, I'm not gonna sit here and try to
Or
catch
like,
this guy.
I already met Porter. I'm just
All I was gonna do was hit my lights and be gone, bro.
They're closed.
There's no lights. There's no lights on the road, so I would have disappeared. Exactly.
You didn't say YOLO.
Everything's locked
I
up.
remember one time I did that on this road, Crestwood out there in Royal Palm, and the cop actually turned around to come get me. But I told my homeboy who lived on the street, I'm like, yo, open your garage. Bro, we pulled some Fast and Furious shit. Because I just turned, drove straight into the garage, and left the car there. Yep.
I feel like the mom guy cutting the wire. Like, I don't
Now,
know,
you drove me
man.
to work.
Bro, I already changed my schedule. This Friday's the only Friday I got off.
I'm going to talk to Publix on Sunday because they asked me to come back and work more hours now that the old manager. Yeah.
Bro.
So, but I told them, I go, I want 25 cents for each raise you guys can give me. And then I want 50 cents for the raise that's coming. I go, I want $1. And I want it before August. I was like, and I want it now before I do anything. before I quit my other job and make a huge decision.
You got the nice high side.
Thanks. I saw that. I saw that.
And then I told them I need a set schedule. Sunday through Wednesday. Sunday through Wednesday, Sunday 5 or 7 o'clock, and then Monday through Wednesday at like 4 or 4:30.
There's no pressure?
It's a vacuum.
Oh.
Till 9:30.
I always unscrew it to back
completely
out
make
instead
my
of
own
just pulling
schedule.
out by accident.
Do what I want. Yeah. But they know that I can be there 4 hours and make a huge difference.
Oh, so
I
you
can
can
clean
take
up
these
the back
off.
room. I can get their shelves full. I can do a lot in 4 hours.
Just take these back off.
Yeah, we can take them
I was really
we can
impressed with
take-
myself yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Because I got home from
No, we can
school
take this off now.
and I did so much stuff. Like I did some like dishes,
We put the
Yeah,
valve
that's
in.
in the room, in my car. I did 3 loads of laundry.
That's it. Yeah, get out. Yeah.
Yeah, we can take these off. No?
Huh? Wait for you to do it.
Well, I lost my confidence since, right?
You know, worst case scenario is free back.
Not even because I am
There ain't no pressure on us.
More
You can
practice.
stop.
Bro, I feel so much better since I've been packing my meals and not eating out there.
Oh, is it?
No, yeah, look, you gotta turn
Like I
your
haven't checked
body.
how much I weigh on the scale.
And we're putting it back. Low side and high side.
Might be putting it back. I may just fucking spin this thing all day.
So we're opening them now.
Yeah, we're gonna open this one and watch it on that side.
Do we have to do the temperature? Bulb? What bulb?
Sorry.
You still have to throttle it in. Even though you're putting it in through the high side.
I know, but
Just doing
that open?
where's 5 at? Yeah, I'm just, you know how it's gotta like regulate? I don't want to just like throw it in
Because he
there.
wants to put like 5 or 10 pounds of liquid in for the low pressure switch. Even though there's not one in here, we're just gonna kind of do it as if there was one. And then we do the
Yeah.
then we throw all
Alright.
the suction side. Good.
Does that look like 10 to you? That's 25. You want me to go a little more?
No, I think that's it right there.
No, then we gotta turn it on before we do the vapor.
And the floor.
Oh my god.
No?
I was gonna work on it, but
Let it regulate.
Is this one closed back up?
Yeah, close that one off.
Just follow this one, right?
Yeah.
It's at 30 pounds.
Yeah, it was at 30 and 14 before we did the liquid.
Okay. It was at 28 before, like way before, right? Terror rate.
what's the PSI on this one?
116 on the low side and
36.
We never got to the high side
Yeah.
because we didn't let it equalize and all that shit. I don't even know if we had enough refrigerant yesterday.
So they let it, yeah. I just know
We just went by the low side. This calls for 4.1 pounds, and we only have 2.
Oh, you are?
I guess because we only have 2 pounds. You know? But we're just gonna put it all in. But it calls for 4, but we only have 2 pounds, 13 ounces. We're just gonna put it all in. No, we're just putting it all in. Because it's supposed to have 4, but we only have 2 pounds that we're putting in, so.
Just, I guess, ask him what he wants us to do when we're done. Like when it stops taking refrigerant.
What's up? It's not gonna get up to 116. It won't. It's not gonna allow us because look, when you crack it open, that's how it goes.
Not enough pressure. Not enough pressure in the tank.
Say, so what was it? 28 point what? What did you start with?
28.10.
28.10 ounces. So So you're just adding 2 pounds in there, 2 pounds and something, right?
2 pounds, 4 ounces.
Just the difference.
Patrick, god damn it. You just fucking sit still.
All right, I'm gonna stop this, yeah, because there's no more steps after this.
Just unhooking it.
Okay.